Welcome to Devil's Bridge and the surrounding area in the heart of the Cambrian Mountains. It's an area of exceptional natural beauty with a wide selection of walks to suit all levels. There are many ways to reach the walks in the Devil's Bridge area, including this narrow gauge railway from Aberystwyth to Devil's Bridge. The track clings to the edge of Cwm Rheidol Valley, gradually climbing 700 feet, allowing you to experience breathtaking views along the way. It takes an hour from Aberystwyth to Devil's Bridge. The train stops for an hour, giving you the chance to admire and take photos of the Prince of Wales and enjoy the facilities nearby. Devil's Bridge and the area is a walkers are welcome destination. The Hafod Hotel was built in 1792 by Thomas Johns of the Hafod Estate. It was he who opened up the natural wonders around the Mhontarfynach Falls to the public. As you cross the present road bridge, it's worth noting there are two others. The first probably built in medieval times by the monks of Strataflorida. In the 18th century, a second bridge was built, and the present road bridge was added in the early 20th century. Here the Mhontarfynach Falls plough through a narrow ravine before falling 100 metres in a series of cascades to join the Rheidol River. Devil's Bridge has been a popular tourist destination for over 200 years. Nant yr Arian is a nearby Forestry Commission visitors centre. It has world-class mountain bike trails, a variety of footpaths to suit all abilities, and don't miss the daily feeding of the red kites. It's well worth seeing. The hills that surround Nant y Moch Reservoir have not always been so quiet, and the area is packed with historic sites. In completing the dam in 1960, the waters of the reservoir began to rise, until Blaen Rheidol Chapel, Nant y Moch Farm, and ancient burial cairns disappeared. Looking over the reservoir is Pumlummon. The highest mountain in mid-Wales stands at 752 metres. It is also the mountain of many stories and historic events. Over there was the site of a famous Welsh victory against the English, where Owain Glyndwr defeated Henry IV's army in 1401 at the Battle of Hyddgen. George Borrow travelled through this area in the 1800s. His walks in the area are documented in his book Wild Wales, written in 1854. It is said that he stayed the night in Ponterwyd, in this hotel that still bears his name today. He was also fascinated with Pontrhy de Groes and its historic mining background. I'm on the Miners' Bridge in Pontrhy de Groes. This bridge was rebuilt in 2001, and this is the way the miners used to get from Pontrhy de Groes to Grogwynion Mine, a couple of miles down the valley. 150 years ago, the mining industry was very important to this area. Largely unchanged, Cwm Ystwyth was one of the most important manors belonging to Strataflorida Abbey during the Middle Ages. The area was buzzing with culture. Even though the scars of over 35 centuries of man's actions and inventiveness remain, the shepherding tradition is still alive here, and it's a perfect habitat for wildlife. We hope this has given you a taste of the Devil's Bridge area and that it has inspired you to visit this wonderful part of Wales. There are many more walks and historic sites to visit in the area. For more information, please visit www.pimlimon.org.uk.